Well, for the longest time, one of my horns wasn't working on my Volkswagen Rabbit diesel pickup. And so I finally got around to investigating it and trying to figure out what's wrong with it. It's a Sparton. It's the name of the brand. Where does it say that? I'm not sure if that's what came with the car or not. But anyway, all these horns are kind of the same, I think. They work kind of the same. Well, when I opened it up, some animal had built its home in here, and it was all full of mud. So I had to clean that out. And I had to drill out all the rivets right here to get it apart. And when I did, these pieces were rusted together completely. This thing is this is an electromagnet, and there's a set of points in here. Let's see there. I got in there with some sandpaper, like 600 grit, and tried to clean that up a little bit, clean up the points. The main thing was that these things were rusted together, so this couldn't move. This needs to vibrate. I was looking at this thing. It looks like the bottom of a can. I don't have a can that big, so I think if it's a little bit rusted through here, but I think it's going to be okay. I tested it already, and I know it will vibrate. I'm not quite sure how it's going to sound. I looked up the videos for the Volkswagen Mark I Rabbit, and I didn't see any, so I thought I'd let you see what it looks like inside here. It's pretty simple. I think all these horns are the same. So it had this kind of fiber thing, fiber gasket. So I believe this is how it goes. This is going to go in here like this. I'm not sure if it matters too much, as long as the holes line up like that. And I made this gasket out of cardboard. I think it'll go like that. That. Pretty much it. I just need to get some rivets in there now. Okay, I got it all riveted back together. At first I thought it wasn't gonna work, but you gotta turn this adjustment screw until you start hearing some noise. I'll put it out of adjustment just so you I'll show you how. Okay, I got all hooked up. See, it's not doing anything. So it's out a little bit. See what happens. Oh, I'm getting a spark now. There it is. I think that's pretty good. Let's see what compared to this other one. It's a bit lower. I think these horns could probably just almost always be repaired. They don't get much use, and they just get a little bit corroded. So I looked on Amazon, and you get a nice 300 decibel set of horns for $15. So I wouldn't even bother messing with this. If you're a silly person like me, you might want to mess around. I don't mind messing around. Kind of interesting. see how these things work. I'll take this one apart now and clean it up and see if I can't get a little better action out of it. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel. Take care. I'll see you down the trail. Bye now.